And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see sent follow requests on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to see send follow requests on Instagram, all you gotta do is simply tap on your Instagram, then go to your profiles and tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner. Now once you're here, you'll need to download your Instagram data and extract the relevant information. This involves requesting your data, downloading it, and navigating to the followers and following section within the downloaded files to find the pending follow request files as well. So simply tap on your activity and simply scroll down below. After doing this, as you can simply not find anything right now here, you need to simply come back and scroll down below and tap on archiving and downloading. So you need to search for the option where you can possibly download all your data. And once you have downloaded your data information, you can simply find the file where you can see send follow requests on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.